What's happening, everyone? Got another hard reset. Today we're going to do the AT&T Calypso 4. So if you have one of these and you want to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone, so keep that in mind. If anything important is going to get deleted. And if you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. But other than that, let's dive right into this bad boy. What you want to do is make sure the phone's off. You can either pull the battery or turn it off. And as soon as the phone's off, what we want to do is hold you have your volume up, volume down, and power, and we want to hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'll start by holding volume up first, then I'll hit power. And then that brings you to your reset selection. Volume up is to navigate, so we want to make sure we navigate to recovery, and then volume down is to select, and so we'll select recovery. Give it a second. Gets us to this no command screen, and to get out of here, we just want to hold power and then tap volume up. And once it loads the next screen, it does it like almost instantly. You just don't want to be holding power that long because you don't want to accidentally reboot the phone. So I'll hold power, hit volume up, and just let go basically right away. And we want to use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select, and we'll scroll down to wipe data factory reset. There it is. Hit the power button, and then we'll confirm. Hit the power button again. Now it's deleting. Now it's done. And we can either reboot or power off, and in this case I'm just going to power it off. And that is how you do a hard reset on an AT&T Calypso 4. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to let us know. But if you can like, share, and subscribe, all that great stuff, we'd appreciate it. And then otherwise than that, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.